Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to mix our primary colors to get additional colors. So sometimes you would notice that in your watercolor set you might not have all the colors that you desire, and sometimes even if you do have the colors that you desire, they are not the same consistency as you would want them. So using these three primary colors we can now create additional colors. So let's mix them and see how they create another one. So the first thing that I'm going to do is mix some red with some yellow, and we'll see what color is formed. So in this case this creates an orange. So you mix a red and an yellow to create a very nice orange. Now you can go completely in your style in terms of how much of yellow you're going to add, how much of red you're going to add. The orange is going to become darker and lighter on that basis. So if I add some more yellow onto this orange, this will become a lighter shade. Let's create a nice swatch of that next to this, and you can see when more yellow is added, the orange becomes yellowish. So there is no specific formula of how much is to be added, but to start with, add a little bit of both the colors, maybe 50-50, and test out, because each brand gives a very different hue in the end. So this will help you to understand your colors also quite well. Now let's add some yellow to some blue and see what color is formed. So I've taken in a new well. Make sure you always wash your brush before you pick out different color shades. I'm picking some blue and mixing it with my yellow, and this creates a very nice shade of green. Let's create a swatch of that. So if I want to create a darker color, I'm going to pick some more blue and this helps to create a darker shade. Like we did for the orange, if you add more yellow, you will get a lighter green or like a yellowish green. The tricky one now is the red with blue. So let's mix it and see. It creates a very dirty purple. So here, this completely depends upon how much of consistency of the colors that you're adding, what amount or percentage you're adding. So if you add more of red, you will get a very nice bright purple. If you add more of blue, you will get a purple like this. So let's test out in the remaining wells. In one of it, we'll take more of red, and in the other one, we'll take less red. And we'll mix more blue in that. So this helps us to create different types of purples. I'm going to first create a nice blue over here and then mix very less in the first well. So this almost becomes like a crimson. You can see the difference that is there in these two. This one has more of red and less of blue. Now in the next one, I'm going to add more blue. We have very less red, and this creates a slightly darker consistency as compared to this one. But it is nicer to see. So this is a more beautiful color individually, but if your painting desires a color like this, then mix almost equal amounts. So you will notice that when you add more blue, you will get a purple this way. If you add more red, you will get a pinkish purple. So go out, try mixing your colors, create a lot of swatches, and understand how your pigments work for you. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, then you can go subscribe to my channel, because I'll be putting up a lot of different kinds of videos for you guys to paint and draw. Thank you.